everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chin. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. And also remember my backup channel, Trending Buzz Network. Wanna go over there, show the girls some love, show the girls some support. You understand? Because who to tell maybe that channel that I gonna be my main channel. Yeah, maybe that channel is going to be my main channel. So if you don't see me over here, you will see me over there. All right? So do the right thing and go over there and support the girl over there. So we chat everybody. Everybody, nobody excluded. With the news, with the reviews, with the drama, with the entertainment, everything. Over there, one-stop shop. I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who go over there and support the thing. Because about 2 Sundays ago, right? Receive an email from YouTube. If I monetize the channel, then I go deactivate it because the channel has been there for a little bit over a year. I never really put nothing over there. It did get a chance to monetize already, right? But because of a video that I had over there will go against them guidelines, that video they get over 50,000 views. So you know that video would have given the channel its watch hour, and I end up having to delete that video, so you know half of the watch hour gone. I honestly never want them deactivate the channel because it had over 2,000 odd persons, subscribers. I never want them deactivate it. I'ma come over here, I'ma tell her, I'ma asking her to go over there, please. You know I moods up the girl and so. And within a week and a half, me get the 4,000 watch hours. So thank you guys. I appreciate that, right? Big up on yourself for that. Alright, so through me and juggle the 2 channel them now, you know. Me I miss out some of the galang men we are galang over here, you know. Me I miss out quite a few. Me see all of the saga we are going with my uncle, you know, but me don't really have no interest in my uncle right now. Me don't really have much interest now right now. So, you know, me don't really too follow up for your platform. But me see 2 little pieces when me I go touch pan. But before me touch pan it, then after me never wear no say. Hey. That TLADY she did over there, I said she gonna beat up Bam Bam. Me say me loves. We don't know say I'm usual Sunday what me I take. We don't know Agnes gonna church today, so I'm me alone, right? I'm usual Sunday what me I take and end up over Mixie Diva yard, cause you know lately Mixie Diva yard over there, massa over there come like when you cook. Pakasa. A pakasa is something name where you put everything in the one pot. Pakasa or a soup. Yeah, everything over Mixie Diva yard. If you miss it, you can go over there go catch up your structure. So I pass and decide to tap over there. If make a voice and tap back a Mixie Diva yard again for you know she nearly give me Agnes and Mass Rufus heart failure the other day. But me say make a chance it. Me go over Mixie Diva now, my love. A Mixie Diva over Facebook for all who don't know. I never heard of Mixie Diva. The channel is over Facebook, Mixie Diva Entertainment. I don't think the entertainment spell out in what I think are ENT. So I can't go over Mixie Diva to support the Facebook page. Alright, my love. So me a pass over there and I want to see Bam Bam in the headlines. I say, my God, but if Bam Bam in the headline over here, so then Sinting galang. Sinting serious galang, man. Because you say, from your Mixie Diva headline, you know, Sinting go down. So I tap, I say, make her go listen. When I listen, when I reach part where night, I say, no man, but that simply means that me got to go over for Bam Bam yard. So I turn back now, my love, from over Mixie Diva, I head over to Bam Bam. So they go over Bam Bam yard now, my loves. Me hear Bam Bam talk, say, yes, be true, my love. TLADY did come out here, come say she go beat up Bam Bam. Kiss out me granny Sal root. Me love, then they me sitting here galang and me no know. Then our Bam Bam do TLADY now that TLADY wants to beat up Bam Bam, me dear children. Anyways, me love, Bam Bam ain't backing down. Cause Bam Bam say, when it anytime TLADY ready if come here down a Jamaica, you come beat her up, make she know. that she can go put up big screen so the whole of we can sit down and watch her see. She a get her beat down me dear children. For Bam Bam say she and her husband would have make till lady cock a hole fat me love. And she said maybe not even her husband, she alone. But between me and who no me love. Hey, me and Agnes church collection for the rest of this year, going into next year and the other year and the other years to come, my love, we would have put it down for Bam Bam. We would have put it down for Bam Bam because me sure as a book. Say, when Bam Bam done with Tilly the caca hole over there, you understand she would have take Tilly the backside, can go feed to the crocodile them there over Portmore, my love. Because say, me know from me I grew up, you see people were always loud so, I love chop badness, they know what we prescribe for me love. Not a God in heaven use they no have. More than they sow some mouth. If you ever listen to their mouth, if you ever listen to them kind of people, their mouth, you're afraid of them. They're coming like some coward dog, my love. When you're there far from them to hold them back, you're afraid to pass them. And by the time you reach up to them, my dear children, and bend down like you take up something. You do have nothing take up nothing. Just bend down like you take up something. And then lap them tail up and then maga behind. And then tear down every bush corner where you can think of. You understand me, my love? So her tea lady that. So tea lady, ma'am. I wonder if you're up for the challenge, tea lady. I wonder if you're up for that challenge. Because you say you understand me, that me, Agnes, and Mars Rufus, we would have do a fundraising for your tea lady. We would have do a fundraising for you. And see if we can collect any little thing you know put together. They say every mickle make a muckle, you understand? Get me the little thing we can get and chump up something for you, tea lady. And buy the plane ticket for you to come down here, come beat up Bam Bam backside. Yes, still, lady ma'am, that is a showdown that I would love to see. You understand? It's a showdown that I would really love to see, T lady. Because you say no hawks if me a Agnes and Rufus. Wouldn't help Bam Bam fi use a spoon fi creep up your crumbs them, you understand me, put in a fine bag, carry go get the crocodile them over to Portmore. I wouldn't help her if tear you up, do you know, lady? I wouldn't help her if tear you up because I cannot fight. But I would have certainly help her if creep up your crumbs them. I would have certainly help her if creep up the crumbs them. That if hands none near me have, cause hands love crumbs. But lady, make me know when you're ready. You understand? Make me know so we can, so we can do the fundraising and get the little twopence penny and buy your plane ticket so that you can come down here and may the best one win. May the best one win. Anyway, moving along. So, my dear children, while me a go along now, I'm a copy her sister Peggy, and sister Peggy now, his Agnes hairdresser, Agnes dressmaker, and one. And me tap on me, I say, but sister Peggy, how you not going to church today and today Sunday, ma? A long time I don't see you, but sister Peggy say, she not feel so well, because she feel a pain in her hip. So, a crumble, she a crumble now, I go down a Mass Ralston with one buckler beer rum, say if you can put one 40 leg in there and some of the good old high, the high to the grade something there. When me I grew up, me always see my granny with them big old rum buckle. Me love yes the tall rum buckle. Them and she have a rum white rum, beer rum, 40 leg, and the same high something there with pimento seed and all kind of something in there. Me love say I fi use a rub pain. I don't know what the 40 leg do to hit me love, but me always see the 40 leg in a fear or the snake. Me love. So I hit now, Miss Peggy, I carry the beer rum, go give Master stand so that him can put the something them in there so that she can use the rub the pain pan her hip. So I say, all right then, Miss Peggy, like how you know feel so well. Me we see you later. Me I go down a yard now, go see if I can put on, them two little dry gungo there when me get the other day. From Mass Winston, they may give me them from way at Christmas. But true, me not really full round the gungo like that, you understand me? But me I go cook it today. I mean, I want them start grow. You understand? Cause I dry gungo them. So Miss Peggy say later. But me love after me walk off now, Miss Peggy tap me and say me feel listen ya. I say, then I worry now, Miss Peggy. Miss Peggy, I go ask me now. I go ask me chin girl if me can, talk to me uncle. Me say which one of me uncle you talk to Peggy? You mean Uncle Rupert? She said, no. Me say, who you talk? Uncle Pete? Uncle Pete, they are foreign, Uncle Pete, they are foreign nearly 60 odd years now. Me, say him up there, have to lay low hideout because he say, him no straight up there. Me can't ever talk loud, make anybody hear, Sister Peggy. But him no straight up there. And you understand the whole thing I go on with Mr. Trump now. You know say Uncle Peter now have been hiding. Me now call him stop Peggy and now call him because me no want when him get the pipe. I ain't come catch up with me and Agnes and Rufus. You understand? Me no want him yeah. You understand? So me now call him to find out nothing from what they me see strange number call me phone. Me no trust the strange number so me no answer it. You understand? Stop Peggy. She said, no, I know that the one them attack. Let me say then which nether uncle. She has said she no remember any name, but you know remember the one where it adopted, man. The one where it adopted. And me I say, oh, I mean, you mean Uncle And she said, me if it take time talk, nobody call her name too hard because she no want she know say. She a tell me nothing so that she can cuss her out the past social media. So I said, Uncle Curly. She said, yes. Me said, then I went to know, listen, me, nobody bring up that the uncle there to me, you know. Sister Peggy, nobody bring up that the uncle there to me, you understand? Because me and that uncle, they no plant peas and go her like, and me I try to avoid that uncle there. Me no go on yard. Every time me do anything out there, you understand, Mr. Peggy? And me talk, you understand? She come out here, can disgrace me and class me out. And me now go make because of that the uncle there, me no see the pearly gates, you understand, Mr. Peggy? So go to somebody else, no come to me. Anyway, me curious now, so me ask Star Peggy now, then I what him do? Star Peggy I tell me say somebody would be swim. I say, Star Peggy, you liar. Star Peggy say, yes. Me say, then how you know that? Then who was swear? I wait do know. I do a surprise you know. Then I wait do know. Star Peggy, I tell me say, one woman, I go up under one our video them, go comment Cinti. And the Cinti where she comment no. Uncle never like it. So uncle no do not more than go take the woman picture now. Care go put up over in her YouTube community. I writes on the raggedy thing over there about the woman underneath the picture. I say, Sister Peggy, you lie. Sister Peggy say, yes. He stink about out here on social media. Sister Peggy now I tell me say the lady see it. And the lady decide say she not take it so. So she send uncle one defamation a character letter baba. Hi. Me say stop again soon come and they go over they go look. See if you can see Wagalang. Me loves when I go over there, I don't see no picture, I don't see nothing put up over there. So you know me turn back now and go over Sister Peggy and I say, Sister Peggy, how you so lie? I say, Sister Peggy, who believe you? Kiss the cross. Me love Sister Peggy kiss the cross and say, God believe her. I say, Sister Peggy. So that mean to say Uncle catch you Fred and take it on. I say, Sister Peggy. Then if you like I say Uncle catch you Fred and take it on. I say, Sister Peggy. I tell them Holly well, you know, don't listen to Uncle mouth. If you follow Uncle mouth, I tell them you know say Uncle a big coward. Uncle a coward out here. All uncle got so mouth. So uncle no want the woman fi swear uncle do want fi go walk house. So uncle take it dog. I say stop Peggy. Then where uncle do? She say she come on her platform and cuss out the woman. Cuss the woman dog rotten. I tell you all the while that uncle a coward. You don't afraid of uncle mouth. The only thing uncle can come out here can do. I cuss you and tell you about up and down and all kind of thing. Uncle use for him cuss and cuss people. Don't afraid of uncle mouth. Then one other thing now, me love stop Peggy. I tell me say, me fi careful how me I got the people them yard now. Me fi take precaution. And stop Peggy said me no fi put up back uncle picture over upon my platform again. So me I say, ah what? She said that uncle I go copyright her face. Me loves. Hey, me loves. Yes, sir. Uncle they go copyright her face. So nobody can use uncle picture again. Kiss out me mama sal root. So, for all who love use uncle picture no careful. For he they go copyright. Mercy God, stop Peggy, God make me book up in you. He stop Peggy, God make me book up in you because he say if me never book up in you. Mother go take uncle picture put up over here and then uncle sue me. Sue me for me no guts. Me mama. Then I saw it get serious stop Peggy. So, when Sister Peggy now I say, you know, me love she, I said that me fi careful. Because if uncle can copyright in face. That mean the people then can copyright their yard too. You understand? And if then copyright their yard, and me and Agnes Goode go fast in the people them business and can come over your can't tell you no, then can sue we. You understand? So stop Peggy I put with pan with yard me loves. But one of the thing they sister Peggy now then, but me no hear no say, uncle, I plan for sue Erica the landlord. I said, stop Peggy. When I hear, I nearly DEAD. Then, how the backside, she no want nobody fi sue her. But she want to go sue, you know, landlord Erica. For me, he said she show up Harry out here, you know, sister Peggy. He said, who name Harry? The smarty. The lily all bad where she must take care of. Him name Harry. I don't know where Uncle Leonard do. And go expose Harry. You understand? Expose mass Harry out here. And you know, say, Erica now de pan fear case like a matlock, you know, Erica sit down pan her like a lizard pan limb. As she sleep. She slides star Peggy. So I yes, you know, Erica catch the man picture and screenshot and put it up out, yeah. Yes, so everybody knows him as Harry. Erica put Mass Harry out there. So me hear uncle now I say, you know, I know like one time when nothing a going for him. Uncle said things are going for him now, you understand? So him can't sue the Erica lady. But between me and you understand, Mr. Peggy? Between me and you, me feel like I say, a Erica mansion, a Erica shop she want because all the while she a cuss Erica about it. So she want come here now, come sue Erica so that she can get Erica house and Erica shop, me dear. Stop Peggy, a holy person thing I got out here, man. Holy person thing I got out here, stop Peggy. But me I go run now cause me I figure go and go put on that it 2 grain and go peas before. You know it get later cause sometimes you know say they tough. Agnes I come from church and you know say me a Rufus now. You know we kinda depend on a level so me I fi cookie Sunday dinner too. If anything later, yeah, stop Peggy. I'll go see if I can get this into them, put in a little room, for rub down your arthritis. What good late, eh? No, and not tell her soul, so you tell me nothing, stop Peggy. Sister Peggy, anything you tell me, I write ya so. It a turn between me and you. And now grunt a word, so you tell me nothing, stop Peggy, and I get you mixed up in a nothing. Stop Peggy, you know me, you ever tell me anything I hear back yet? Stop Peggy, you're wicked. You ever tell me nothing, stop Peggy, and me care go over for me yard here. Go tell the people them on my platform, stop Peggy, you're wicked. Stop Peggy, you know what good for you. Sister Peggy, go on where you go, you know. Stop Peggy, go on where you go today, Sunday, and I don't want to sin me soul. If you know me, no care back what you tell me for. Stop Peggy, if you know me, no care back what you tell me for. Anyways, me now go back go say you say between me and you. You understand, Mr. Peggy? So if anything later on. Anyways, my love, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and I will see you all in another video. Peace out, much love. See you later.